identifying alkaline earth metals by properties. In this example problem, it says which of the following descriptions correctly characterize the properties of alkaline earth metals. Choose all that apply. So we have to look at these four properties that they have listed and see if they match up with what we know about alkaline earth metals. So we already know that alkaline earth metals are in group 2A of the periodic table. They have 2 valence electrons, which they try to give up most of the time. Electrons. They're pretty reactive, less reactive than alkali metals, but pretty reactive. So I'm going to say pretty reactive. And that's a good deal about what we know. So let's take a look at these properties and see if any of them match. Here it says low second ionization energy. So first ionization energy is how much it takes to take 1 valence electrons from an element. So an element that freely gives 1 is going to have a low one, but if it doesn't freely give other ones, it's going to have a high second ionization energy, trying to take the second valence electron. However, alkali earth metals want to give away 2 valence electrons, so the first valence electron doesn't take that much ionization energy to make it an ion. And to get the second valence electron, it wants to give that up, so it does also have a low second ionization energy. So it doesn't take that much energy to get that second valence electron. So A is definitely one of those. B says not reactive. Well, it's not as reactive as alkali metals, as we said before, but it is pretty reactive. So B is out. Tends to lose 2 valence electrons. We said that, so C is definitely one of our properties. And some of them react with water. So as soon as we put it in water in pure form, it definitely will react with that water because it's so reactive. So things like magnesium and calcium will react with water. So D is definitely also one of those properties of alkali metals. Alkali earth metals.